In this video, I will show you how to buy directly on Xianyu Chinese shopping app with your Alipay app without any stress. Let me show you how. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp, just like what you see right here, asked me to place order for this particular product you see in the picture right here. And this product here is about 288 yuan. And I decided to make a video about it and show you on how we actually place order for this particular product on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. You can see the product code right here. So this is the product code right here, just like what you see right here. So with that being said, let's get started. Next thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and access from my WhatsApp right here. And I'm going to go ahead and open up my Xianyu app right here. So having opened up my Xianyu, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and proceed to my chart right here. Just like so. I've already contacted the seller and I've told them everything I want about the product. I'm going to see this about the product. So this is the store right here. I'm going to open up the store link. Just like so. So you can see my chart with them right here, and likewise the product price right here. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Xianyu. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba, JD.com, Xianyu, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's proceed. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and simply click on here to proceed to checkout. Just like so. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed. So allow the Alipay to connect. Just like so. Make sure this is selected. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. Enter your payment password to complete payment. Just like so, payment done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. Then click on here to go back. So by the time you get back right here, you find out that the payment has been done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to go back. Then for me to see the product we just paid for, we just want to go ahead and click on here. And the next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed. So here we go. You can see the slippers right here. Lastly, I'm going to go ahead and exit from my Xianyu, open up my WhatsApp, attachment, select proof of payment, and say payment done. And send. It's that simple. If this is exactly what you want me to do for you, you want me to pay your supplier on 1688, Xianyu, Pinduoduo, Taoba, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.